Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to do some miscellaneous MCQs in the modern history. This session will be having approximately 40 plus MCQs. So watch the complete session guys, and yes, if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. Your question is, which one among the following statements regarding Bal Gangadhar Tilak is not correct? Your first option is he propounded the theory of the Arctic home of the Aryans. B option is he founded the Anti-Cow Killing Society. C option is he set up the Home Rule League at Pune. And last option is he supported the Age of Consent Bill. So right answer is option D, that is he supported the Age of Consent Bill. This statement is incorrect. Next question is, who among the following first used the word Swarajya in its political sense and accepted Hindi as the national language of India? Your A option is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B is Swami Vivekanand, and C option is Mahatma Gandhi, and the last option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So the right answer will be option D, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question is, consider the following statements about Satyagraha. Your first statement is, it was first experimented by Gandhiji in South Africa, and second one statement is, it was first experimented in India at Champaran. You have to choose the correct code to tell which statement is the correct one. So इसका right answer आएगा option C, that is both 1 and 2. Next question is, the social ideals of Mahatma Gandhi were first put forth in. A option is Hind Swaraj, B option is an autobiography, that is the story of my experiments with truth. C option is the history of the Satyagraha in South Africa, and D option is the Bhagavad Gita according to Gandhi. So right answer will be option C, that is the history of the Satyagraha in South Africa. Next question is, who among the following is the author of the Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Your A option is R.C. Dutt, B is Henry Cotton, C option is Mahatma Gandhi, and D option is Dadabhai Naoroji. So right answer will be option D, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question is, in August 1947, who of the following leaders did not participate anywhere in Independence Day celebration? A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B is option is the Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Vallabhbhai Patel, and D option is Rajendra Prasad. So right answer will be option B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is, Subhash Chandra Bose, that is S.C. Bose, had founded Forward Bloc in the year. A option is 1936, B is 1937, C option is 1938, and last option is 1939. So right answer will be option D, that is 1939. Forward Bloc was established by Subhash Chandra Bose in the year 1939. This question is very, very important. Next question is, who among the following was one of the founders of the Bombay Presidency Association in the year 1885? Your A option is Firoz Shah Mehta, B option is P. Anand Charlu, C option is M.V. Raghav Cheriar, and last option is S.N. Banerjee. So the right answer will be option A, that is Firoz Shah Mehta. बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी एसोसिएशन की जो स्थापना की थी उसमें जो मेजर लीडर थे वो थे बदरुद्दीन त्याबजी, फिरोज शाह मेहता एंड केटी टेलिंग, और इसकी स्थापना की गई थी इन द ईयर 1885. तो आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पर अभी ऑप्शन में फिरोज शाह मेहता ही दिया हुआ था, सो इट विल बी द राइट आंसर हियर. वैसे मेजरली आपको एग्जाम में ऑप्शन में फिरोज शाह मेहता ही मिलेगा, बट आपको जो अदर्स ये 2 लीडर हैं इनको भी याद रखना है. Next question is, who among the following continuously from 1904 onward emphasized on the grant of self-rule to India? A option is S.N. Banerjee, B is Arvindo Ghosh, C option is Firoz Shah Mehta, and D option is Dadabhai Naoroji. So right answer will be option D, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question is, who was the author of the History of British India? A option is James Mill, B is V.A. Smith, C option is V.D. Savarkar, and D option is R.C. Mazumdar. So right answer will be option A, that is James William. Next question is, which was the first newspaper published in India? A option is Bengal Gazette, B is Calcutta Gazette, C option is Bombay Herald, and D option is Bengal Journal. So right answer will be option A, that is Bengal Gazette. और इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी इन द ईयर 1770, और इसके जो फाउंडर थे वो थे जेम्स ए हिक्की. सो आपको फाउंडर का नाम और इसका ईयर, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर या पब्लिकेशन ईयर भी आपको याद रखना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अभिनव भारत फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1904 was. A option is a secret organization of revolutionary activities, B is A newspaper. C option is a cultural organization, and last option is a trade union movement. So right answer will be option A, that is a secret organization of a revolutionary activities. और अभिनव भारत की शुरुआत की जाती है सावरकर ब्रदर्स के द्वारा in the year 1904 में, right? Next question is a famine code for India was recommended by which commission? A option is MacDonald Commission, B is Campbell Commission, C option is Lyall Commission, and D option is Strategy Commission. So right answer will be option A, that is MacDonald Commission. Next question is who was associated with the newspaper Mook Nayak? A option is Jyotiba Phule, B is B.R. Ambedkar, C option is M.N. Roy, and last option is Annie Besant. So right answer will be option B, that is B.R. Ambedkar. Next question is who among the following has called Tilak, it means Bal Gangadhar Tilak को किसने कहा था father of Indian unrest? This question is also very important. Your first option is Mahatma Gandhi, B option is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Powell Price, and D option is Valentine Shirol. तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज वैलेंटाइन शिरोल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग पर्सन वाज कंसीडर्ड बाय गांधी जी एज हिज पॉलिटिकल गुरु? ए ऑप्शन इज दादा भाई नौरोजी, बी ऑप्शन इज एमजी रनाडे, सी ऑप्शन इज गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज बाल गंगाधर तिलक. तो राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. Next question is New India and Commonwealth. These two newspapers were associated with. A option is R.C. Dutt, B is Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and D option is Annie Besant. The right answer will be option D, that is Annie Besant. Annie Besant ने इन दो न्यूज़पेपर की शुरुआत की थी, that is New India and Commonwealth. ये दोनों न्यूज़पेपर important हैं for the exam. Next question is who was the founder of Deccan Education Society? A option is Jyotiba Phule, B is Firoz Shah Mehta, C option is M.G. Ranade, that is महादेव गोविंद रनाडे, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज बाल गंगाधर तिलक. तो देखिए गाइस यहाँ पर ऑप्शन थोड़ा सा मतलब गलत दिए हुए हैं. यहाँ पर जिसका राइट आंसर आएगा वो आएगा बोथ, दैट इज ऑप्शन सी एंड डी, क्योंकि दक्कन एजुकेशन सोसाइटी की जो फाउंडर थे वो महादेव गोविंद रनाडे को भी कहा जाता है, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, ये दोनों उसमें शामिल थे इसकी फाउंडेशन में, और इसकी फाउंडेशन रखी गई थी इन द ईयर 1884, राइट. Next question is the manuscript of Arthashastra was discovered by. A option is Sir William Jonas, B is Sham Shastri, C option is Ram Gopal Bhandarkar, and last option is James Mill. So right answer will be option B, that is Sham Shastri. Next question is who adorned Ram Mohan Roy with the title of Raja? राजा का टाइटल किस पर्सन ने दिया था राम मोहन रॉय को? आज उनको इस नाम से जाना जाता है, वो है राजा राम मोहन रॉय. So your first option is Aurangzeb, B is Robert Clive, C option is Mahatma Gandhi, and last option is Mughal Emperor Akbar II. So इसका right answer आएगा option D, that is Mughal Emperor Akbar II. Next question is from which year was regular and scientific census started in India? A option is 1861, B is 1871, C option is 1881, and last option is 1891. So the right answer will be option C, that is 1881. अब लिसन गाइस, यहाँ पर दो मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं. अगर सिंपली पूछा जाए दैट इज द फर्स्ट सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया कब कंडक्ट किए गए थे, तो ये हुए थे इन द ईयर 1872. और कौन से गवर्नर जनरल के टाइम हुए थे, तो आपको ये भी याद रखना है, वो गवर्नर जनरल का नाम है लॉर्ड मायो. और अगर पूछा जाए दैट द फर्स्ट सिंक्रोनस सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया कब हुए थे, तो वो हुए थे इन द ईयर 1881, और उस टाइम के गवर्नर जनरल थे लॉर्ड रिपन, राइट. ये दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, आपको अच्छे से याद रखने हैं. Next question is the Muslims, if contented and satisfied, would become the greatest bulwark of British power in India. Who wrote it? A option is Herbert Risley, C option is Lord Lytton, C option is W.W. Hunter, and D option is H.N. Brailsford. So right answer will be option C, that is W.W. Hunter. Next question is in my belief, Congress is too tottering to its fall, and one of my great ambitions while in India is to assist it to a peaceful demise. Who wrote it? A option is Lord Lytton, B is Lord Dufferin, C option is Lord Curzon, and the last option is Lord Minto. So the right answer will be option C, that is Lord Curzon. Next question is who became champion of socialism and wanted to overthrow the British rule, princely states, landlordism, and capitalism in 1933? A option is Rajendra Prasad, B is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Bhulabhai Desai, and last option is Sardar Patel. So the right answer will be option B, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is who is regarded as the mother of the Indian Revolution? A option is Mrs. Annie Besant, B is Snehelata Wadekar, C option is Sarojini Naidu एंड डी ऑप्शन इज मैडम भिकाजी रुस्तम कामा, जिनको कि मैडम कामा के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. सो इसका राइट आंसर यही आएगा, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, मैडम भिकाजी रुस्तम कामा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच जर्नल वॉज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द रिवोल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज? ए ऑप्शन इज संध्या, बी इज युगांतर, सी ऑप्शन इज गदर एंड डी ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ द अबव. सो राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज नन ऑफ द अबव. Next question is the author of the Rajniti Ratnakar is A option is Chandeshwara, B is Vidyapati, C option is Jyotishwara and last option is Hari Brahmadeva. So right answer will be option D, that is Hari Brahmadeva. Next question is the author of the Udvant Prakash is A option is Mauli Kavi, B option is Bodharaj, C option is Paramala and D option is Vidyapati. So the right answer will be option A, that is the author of Udvant Prakash is Mauli Kavi. Next question is who is regarded as the pioneer of the irrigation work in South India? A option is Sir Arthur Cotton, B option is Colonel Bayard Smith, C option is Lieutenant Blaine and last option is Colonel Robert Smith. So the right answer will be option A, that is Sir Arthur Cotton. Next question is who among the following was not associated with the Kakori incident? A option is Ram Prasad Bismil, B is Surya Sen, C option is Rajendra Lahori and D option is Ashfaq Ullah Khan. So the right answer will be option B, that is Surya Sen. Next question is who demanded the separate administrative division for all hill area in the year 1946? A option is Sridev Suman, B option is Badri Dutt Pandey, C option is P.C. Joshi and D option is Manvendra Shah. So the right answer is option B, that is Badri Dutt Pandey. Next question is who was the prominent Indian historian? He did not accept 1857 revolution as a revolution. A as a Tarachand, B option is Dr. S.N. Sen, C option is Savarkar and last option is R.C. Mazumdar. So the right answer will be option D, that is Dr. R.C. Mazumdar. Next question is the writer of Satyarth Prakash is A option is Swami Vivekanand, B option is Swami Nishchalanand, C option is Swami Chinmayanand and last option is none of the above. So the right answer will be option D, that is none of the above. And so who was the author of this Satyarth Prakash? So वो थे स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, जिन्होंने इसको लिखा था इन द ईयर 1875 और ये थी लैंग्वेज हिंदी में, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू अबाउट द एक्टिव रिवोल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट इन इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द ईयर ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर? A option is Chandrasekhar Azad founded the Anushilin Samiti. B option is Bhagat Singh was the founder of the Naujawan Bharat Sabha. C option is Prafulla Chakki established the Hindustan Republican Association and last option is Surya Sen organized the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. So right answer is option B, that is Bhagat Singh was the founder of Naujawan Bharat Sabha in the year 1926. Next question is who among the following wrote the book Politics in India? This book is also very important. So let me see the options. First option is Rajni Kothari, B is M.N. Srinivas, C option is Ashish Nandi and the last option D.L. Seth. So the right answer will be option A, that is Rajni Kothari और इन्होंने इस बुक को लिखा था, that is Politics in India in the year 1970, right? Next question is who addressed Gandhi ji as the father of nation for the first time? A option is Subhash Chandra Bose, B is Rabindranath Tagore, C option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the last option is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So the right answer will be option A, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. और सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने महात्मा गांधी को एज अ फादर ऑफ नेशन कौन सी डेट को कहा था? सो ऑन 4 अगस्त 1944 फ्रॉम द रंगून रेडियो. ये भी आप पॉइंट याद रख सकते हो, कई बार पूछ लिया जाता है एग्जाम में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैड कॉल्ड सुभाष चंद्र बोस एज देश नायक? A option is Mahatma Gandhi, B is Ram Manohar Lohia, C option is Rabindranath Tagore and the last option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option C, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question is who out of the following had told destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign clothes? Your A option is Rabindranath Tagore, B is Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Chittaranjan Das and the last option is Subhash Chandra Bose. So the right answer is option B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is the official historian of India's freedom movement was? A option is R.C. Mazumdar, B is Tarachand, C option is V.D. Savarkar and D option is S.N. Sen. So the right answer will be option B, that is Tara Chand. Next question is the statement, I am a socialist and a republican and I am no believer in kings and princes is associated with. A option is Narendra Dev, B is Achyut Patwardhan, C option is Jay Prakash Narayan, and last option is Jawaharlal Nehru. So the right answer will be option D, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, who among the following leaders of the revolution of 1857 had the real name of Ramchandra Pandurang? A option is Kunwar Singh, B is Nana Sahib, C option is Tamtya Tope, and D option is Mangal Pandey. So the right answer will be option C, that is Tamtya Tope. Next question is, Ram Mohan Roy was given the title of Raja by. A option is Lord William Bentinck, B is Akbar II, C option is followers of Brahma Samaj, and D option is intellectual opposing the custom of sati. इस क्वेश्चन को हम प्रीवियसली कर चुके हैं, सो आई होप दैट यू गेस द राइट आंसर. इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज मुगल एम्परर अकबर II, और इन्होंने इनको राजा का टाइटल दिया था इन द ईयर 1831, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द चाइनीज राइटर मेंशन इंडिया बाय द नेम ऑफ. A option is Fu Po Ki, B option is Yin Tu, C option is Si Yu Ki, and D option is Si Kya Ponu. So the right answer is option B, that is Yin Tu, और ये नेम जो है ड्राइव हुआ है फ्रॉम द वर्ड दैट इज हिंदू और सिंधु, और टियाजू कहा जाता है इज द चाइनीज हिस्टोरिकल नेम फॉर द इंडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, तिनकथिया सिस्टम इन चंपारण मीन्ट. A option is cultivation of indigo on the 3/20 area of land. B option is cultivation of indigo on the 3/19 area of land. And the last option is cultivation of indigo on the 3/18 area of land. And the last option is none of the above. So the right answer will be option A, that is cultivation of indigo on the 3/20 area of land. Next question is, who among the following established Indian Society of Oriental Art? A option is Nihar Ranjan Ray. C option is Narendra Mohan Mukherjee. C option is Abhinendra Nath Tagore. And the last option is Barindra Kumar Ghosh. So the right answer is option C, that is Abhinendra Nath Tagore, along with his brother, that is Gagendra Nath Tagore, और इन्होंने इसकी शुरुआत की थी in the year 1907 में. Next question is, Vivekanand attended the Parliament of World Religions held at Chicago in. A option is 1872, B is 1890, C option is 1893, and last option is 1901. This question is also very important. So the right answer will be option C, that is 1893. Next question is, kings are made for public. Public is not made for the king. Who among the following made this statement during the national movement? Your first option is Surendra Nath Banerjee, B option is R.C. Dutt, C option is Dadabhai Naroji, and D option is Gokhale. So the right answer will be option C, that is Dadabhai Naroji. So that's it for today guys, and this is the question for you, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में देना है. ये क्वेश्चन हमने इसी सेशन में किया, तो अगर आपने सेशन को अच्छे से देखा होगा देन यू आर एबल टू गिव द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. So if you love the content guys, so please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.